Hey guys, it's Jamie with Just Go Camping. I don't do this too much, do these night videos. I don't particularly like them. I run out of daylight, and then I might as well just go into the woods when it's dark and see if I can, function, if I can get a fire going, if I can make a shelter, if I can do all these things. So we're gonna go in here, check things out. I've been in here before, but it is still creepy. So come with me if you don't mind. I could use some company. It's a little bit scary. Thanks for watching, and let's go. So it looks like there's some good dead wood around here that I can get a fire going with, so that's good. Yeah, this is a pretty creepy trail here. Really kind of wish I was doing this in the daytime. Somebody made a path through here. Now, this is interesting. Huh. That's a pretty creepy tree. I think this is a good spot, though. Let's see if we can set up here. Gonna try to get some firewood. I got plenty of kindling here. These dry weeds here will work nicely. I'm thinking about just taking part of this stump, this tree that's laying on the ground here, and taking a couple of sections of that and see if that'll work. Let's try that first. I don't want to go too far into these woods. I worked up a sweat getting that firewood. I was going to put up a tarp and a little plow point shelter, but I can't find a sturdy stick or a pole, and it's so hard looking for one in the dark. So I was going to go up against one of these trees and make it, but then I'd be sitting in pointy sticks and briars and whatnot. So I got some soft ground right here. So it's not going to rain tonight. I think I'm just going to up under the stars and do what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make a little blueberry pie and have some coffee with y'all. So stick around and I'll be right back. I'm just putting these dry sticks over the hole there so that what I'm going to be lighting on fire does not get to the soft, wet dirt there, and the fire won't go out. So let's try that. So here's the thing, folks. In my haste coming out here tonight, I forgot to bring some water with me. So I guess we're just having pie. I didn't bring my chair with me because the ground around here is going to be too soft. Fire's going pretty good. This is a blueberry pie. I'm gonna put the lid over it so that the ashes or anything can't get up underneath there. And it just, I'm gonna set it on top here and let it get warmed up, and then I'm gonna put it underneath the coals for it to bake. All right, gang, we're just waiting for the pie to bake. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna see. It should. I did one just the other day, and it was really good. It was a little bit burnt. I have to kind of temper the, just kind of manage and work with the temperature, tweak it, to see how long it's in the coals, so that it doesn't burn. This could be a fail, I don't know, but we shall see. I hate that I didn't bring water for coffee. Oh God, I want a cup of coffee so bad. So here we are, just the two of us. Well, there could be more than two. Actually, there could be a whole lot more if you thought that you might want to subscribe to my channel. All I do is, yeah, I don't do that many overnights, but all I do is come out in the woods, have a little fun, drink a beer, make a pie, build a little shelter, and just goof around. And I just talk to my subscribers and people who want to listen. Some people might think that's a little bit weird. Not me. I think it's perfectly normal. I don't really care to come out here in the middle of the night and try to make a fire and shelter and everything. I'd much rather do it in the daytime. But, you know, this is what I do. I don't dig, you know, cabins in the ground or something. I can't do that. You know, I mean, that's for those young guys. If you're just looking for something to watch and chill for a few minutes and learn about a little bit of bushcraft, find out about some funny tasting beers, and make a fire and just sit and relax. The subscribe button is around there somewhere. It's the red thing with the little white. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Just go hit that button, and we will be lifelong friends. I can feel it. Not quite sure how long the pie needs to sit in the coals, but it's been about 10 minutes so far. I'm thinking that it might get burnt. I don't know. Well, there's a train coming. I can hear a train coming. I think they're stopped on the tracks. I want to say that they're doing some maintenance on the train, and I could have sworn I heard them stop. I didn't know if my lights had, or they had seen me. I don't think so. Anyway, I think they're gone. I think they're gone. Okay. What do you think, guys? Should I take the pie out? Take a look at it? Ooh, train's moving again. I don't think anybody cares anyway, but they might. It's just kind of weird that usually they go right through. They don't stop, and it just seems kind of weird that they're going through and they're stopping and then they're backing up. It's very strange. Oh well, they can't do anything because this is they're not gonna do anything. I live right down the road, for crying out loud. So weird. They want to kick me out, just go ahead and kick me out. I don't give a crap. I'm tired of waiting. My pie's gonna burn here. Took the pie out. I'm just gonna let it cool. I have not looked inside yet, so I'm just gonna let it sit there and cool for a bit before I check it. This stupid train is ticking me off. Not like they're shining flashlights down here or anything. So they're not, I don't even think they're up there. I think this is just part of the train that stops. I don't think there's anybody on this part of the train. I just think that they're stopping for maintenance or something. Hey, look at that. A little bit burnt, but that's not too bad. That doesn't look too bad. Give that a little time to cool off. Can't believe I didn't hit the record button. You guys didn't even see me eat the pie. I ate the pie. The guys were on the train, and I'm done. I ate the pie, and I look up, and the stupid thing's not recording. Urgh! But anyway, the pie worked out. It wasn't cold. It wasn't too hot. It wasn't too burnt. It was nice and brown. It was delicious. So, sorry about that. But anyway, catch you on the next video. I love all of you. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.